Warm greetings to everyone. Myself, Mrs J Melvin Rani, Assistant Professor of Nutrition Dietetics from Asst College for Women. In this video, we are going to see about pulses soaking and germination process and its benefits for the human body. So, every pulses before we are going to conception, it was subjected for the various processing methods such as soaking, germination, decortication, cooking and fermentation. So in these process, which one is benefit for us? So that is soaking and germination. The seed coat tightly envelops the cotyledon, probably through a layer of gum and lignin. Many pulses, particularly whole grains, not grains, whole pulses or legumes which have hard outer layer which is covering, need soaking prior to cooking. During soaking, water enters through the hilum or scare where the bean is attached to the bud. From there, it shapes around the periphery of bean and causes the seed coat to wrinkle. These wrinkles, which are eliminated when the cotyledon swell and fill the seed coat. Whole pulses are soaked in a cold water overnight or in a warm water. The temperature should be kept at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius for 4 to 5 hours. So what are the changes during the sprouting? First one is the seed coat is ruptured. Then the endosperm was ruptured. Then the germinated one was developed in the legumes or pulses. So what are the most benefit in soaking? It contains more nutrients and these available nutrients are also enriched in them. Antinutrient factors which will be reduced during the soaking. It was released in the soaked water. What are the antinutrient factors? They are present in that pulses or tannin, saponin, trypsin inhibitors factors. So these are the antinutrient factors which leads to inhibit the absorption of nutrients present in that pulses. So what are the transformation happened in pulses during soaking is first one is reduce these antinutrient factors. So pulses also contain some phytic acid, tannins and trypsin inhibitors. Then it was activate the enzymes present in that like amylases, proteases. Then it was soften the texture, that is outer layer of pulses, which is helps to leaven the seed coat from the pulses. Then another one transformation is it remove the impurities present in that pulses such as debris and soluble components present in that. Next one, the final transformation is it was initiate the germination. Soaking was happen between 4 to 12 hours. So in that the final duration germination will be initiated. In that condition, the nutrient will be releases and the bioavailability of the nutrients will be increased. So these are the enzymes which was activated during the soaking. So amylase it was produced by salivary glands and pancreas. These enzymes break complex carbohydrate into simple sugars like maltose and glucose, which is ready to absorb in the blood circulation. The next enzyme is activated during the soaking is proteases. Proteases including pepsin, trypsin, chymotrypsin, and these enzymes break down the protein molecules into smaller peptides and amino acids for easy to absorption. It was easy the absorption of protein molecules. Then this slide shows what are the benefits and drawbacks in soaking. So benefit is soaking helps us to reduce the antinutrient factors in that. Then it also activates the digestive enzymes. Then it also improves the digestibility of pulses. Then it also removes the contaminations present in that pulses. Then it also reduces the cooking time. When comparing the unsoaked pulses and soaked pulses, it also increases the cooking quality and it also reduces the cooking time. It also reduces the enhance the taste of pulses. So what's the drawback in soaking is it eliminates some water soluble vitamins like B vitamins and vitamin C. It also loss during the soaking. So when we are using the water for soaking, after the soaking process finishes, we drain off the excess water present in that. So in that water contains antinutritional factors and some B complex vitamins. So this one drawback in soaking process. The next one is germination. So germination, what is germination is whole grams are soaked overnight when water should be drained away and the seeds should be tied in a loosely woven cotton cloth and it should be hung in a place. Water should be sprinkled twice or thrice in for a day. So in a day or it will took some days. It will be finishes. It should be need 1 day or 2 days for the germination process. Moisture and warmth are essential for the germination. So we should ensure the component should be has some moisture content or not. Green gram can be germinated in a shorter time. So other pulses need some more time for that. In summer, germination process is faster than the winter. Bengal gram, dry beans can also be germinated. I hope all the pulses can be germinated well. So what is the nutritional challenges during the germination is ascorbic acid. If we need ascorbic acid content in our pulses, we should keep the we should keep the pulses for germination for 28 hours. So it also increases the B complex vitamins like riboflavin, niacin, choline and biotin. It all be increases during all these B complex vitamins is increased during the germination and it's also enhance the bioavailability of these nutrients. It also reduces the toxic components present in that. Every pulses have some antinutritional factors and toxic components. So when we subjecting the soaking and germination process, these components will be eliminated and the quality of the toxic is reduced during the germination. So this slide shows the difference between the soaking and germination. So soaking reduces the antinutritional factors, activate the enzymes, soften the texture of pulses. Some vitamins losses during discarded the soaked water. So when we look for the germination, it needs 48 plus hours. It also it was multiplies the B complex vitamins and vitamin C. It also eliminates the toxic components present in that. It also enhances the bioavailability of nutrients and it also maximizes the nutritional enhancement. So what are the key takeaways from this is germination, pulse soaking and germination is very simple, but it has powerful. So in this era, in this modern diet era, we have to concentrate more on our diet, isn't it? So we have less time for the cooking, we have less time spent in kitchen. So when we are chooses the germination or soaking, it is better for our nutrition enhancement. It also meet our RDA for the requirement. So it also enhances the nutritional availability like vitamin C and B complex vitamins. It also eliminates the antinutritional factors present in that. So in this video we should have some information about soaking and germination. So all the best to you all. We will see from the next video. Thank you.